Good morning students. Welcome back to Gopi Krishna online classes. In previous class we discussed about force and pressure. So there we discussed what is mean by pressure and how pressure will exert, liquids how pressures will exert. I explained with an activities. Okay. So coming to that formula of pressure. So what is the formula we can write for pressure? Pressure is equals to force by area. Okay. So we can write as F by A. What is the SI unit of pressure? SI unit of pressure is Pascal, or we can write as Newton by meter square. Yes or no? In previous class we discussed what is the definition and what is the formula and their units. Okay. So today class we are going to discuss about some related problems. Okay. So pressure related problems. I am going to discuss about some problems related to pressure. Okay. So here observe this problem what given here. Okay. A solid exerts of a force 400 newtons. So what they given? Force is equals to 400 newtons. Okay. Then calculate the pressure exerted by a solid on a surface. What we want to calculate? Pressure we want to calculate. So pressure P is equals to F by A formula. They not given any value. Okay. So next, if area of contact is 200 meters centimeter square, okay, area is equals to 200 centimeter square. So as we know that, what is the formula? F is equals to, pressure is equals to F by A formula. So for that what is the values we are going to write? Means units Newton by meter square. But here if you take force given in newtons only, no need to change it again. Here when you come for area given in centimeter square. This centimeter square you want to convert into meter square. How can we convert centimeters into meters? Here you can see that 200 by, okay, so 10,000, that is equals to what we will get? 200 by 0 cancel, so we will get 2 by 100. So 2 by 100 can we write as 0.02 meter square? Are you getting this point? Here I showed to you how to convert centimeters into meters. Okay. So 200 centimeter square area given. We can't introduce this value directly into the formula. Why? Because so we are having this pressure units are Newton by meter square. We need to convert the centimeters into meter square. So 200 by 10,000. So why we have to take 10,000? For 1 meter, how many centimeters? 100 centimeter. So here meter square is there. So what we want to do? 100 into 100. So we will get 10,000. 200 by 10,000 is equals to 2 zeros cancel here. We will get 2 by 100 value. 2 by 100 is considered as 0.02 meter square. Now here what we got? We want to calculate the pressure. For this what we want? Force and area. Already in problem they given force value and area value also. But area value they given in centimeters. We want to convert this centimeters into meters. Okay, here we did that conversions. Next coming to that, introduce into the formula. So P is equals to 400 by 0.02. Okay, so here we want to do the calculation. So what we can do to remove this point value, Can we multiply with 100 by 100? So we will get the value of 400 by 0.02 into 100 by 100. Okay, here point value will remove. So 40,000 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 0, 0, 0, 0 value. So answer is 20,000 Newton by meter square. So we'll get the answer 20,000 Newton by meter square, or we can write as 20,000 Pascal, or we can write as 20,000 Pascal. Okay. So first of all, if any problem you are getting, what you have to do, what values they given, we need to write here. So from that problem, force they given 400 newtons, pressure we want to calculate, area they given in centimeter square, we need to convert into meter square. So that conversions I did here. Then introduce values into formula. So we will get 20,000 Newton by meter square, or we can write as Pascal. So this is what answer we got for this problem. Okay, coming to the second problem. So first read what given here. What will be the pressure exerted by a solid? So here what we want to calculate? Pressure we want to calculate. Okay. So pressure exerted by a solid, if it exerts 700 newtons of force on an area of 7 meters square. Okay, so first of all you have to remember in your mind what is the units given here for force and area. So force units, what generally we have to get? Newtons. So 700 newtons only given, so no need to change it again. Again coming to the area units, what given? Meter square given, so no need to change. So directly this value we need to introduce into the formula, so we will get the answer. Coming to that, what is the formula for pressure? Pressure is equals to force by area. Okay, so force, what given? Force is equals to 700 newtons, and area is equals to 7 meters square. Then pressure is equals to 700 newtons by 7 meters square. 7 ones are 7 hundreds are. So we will get 100 newtons by meter square, or we can write as 100 pascals, PA, pascals. Okay, so like this we want to calculate. So I am going to repeat once again. What will be the pressure exerted by a solid? Here pressure you have to calculate pressure. Formula of pressure what? Force by area. So for that, what values given? 700 newtons of force given, and area 7 meters square given. Yes or no? So here pressure is equals to force by area. So then force value you have to write 700 newtons, and area is equals to 7 meters square. Then pressure is equals to 700 by 7 Newton by meter square. 7 ones are 7 hundreds are. So we will get 100 Newton by meter square, or answer we can write as 100 pascals. Okay, coming to the next problem. Here what they given, first read what they given here. What will be the pressure exerted by the object? So what we want to calculate here also? Pressure we want to calculate. So what is the formula for pressure? Pressure is equals to force by area, force by area. So what they given, exerted by the object if 5000 Newton of force is acting. So what is the value given Nana here? Force given. What is the value of force? 5000 newtons. Okay. So 5000 newtons of force is acting on an area of 200 centimeter square. So area is equals to 200 centimeter square. What I told before, first when you want to go calculate or introduce into the formula this value, first what you have to check, in which units values are given. Okay, so in which units here given? 5000 Newton force given in Newton values only, so no need to change that. Coming to the area, here what given? 200 centimeter square given, yes or no? So 200 centimeter square can be directly introduced into the formula? No. Why? Because what is the unit for pressure? Newton by meter square. We want to calculate in meters. So again we want to change this 200 centimeter square into meter square. For this what you have to do? 200 by 100 into 100, 10,000. Okay, so that is equals to, here two zeros, here two zeros will get cancelled. So 2 by 100 will come, will get the value of 0.02 meter square. Okay, are you getting this? So area they given in 200 centimeter square. We want to change this 200 centimeter square into meter square. Okay, so there 200 by 10,000. Why we had write 10,000 here? 100 into 100 multiply. For 1 centimeter 100 for 1 meter 100 centimeters, like the square is there, means 100 into 100 we have to do. So we'll get 2 by 100, so value is 0.02 meter square. Again now introduce into the formula, pressure is equals to 5000 by 0.02 Newton by meter square. Okay, so here 5000, to remove this point value, can we write like this? 100 by 2? Yes or no? 100 by 2 we can write. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 0. So what we will get? 5 5s are 25. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 Newton by meter square, or can write 25,000 pascals. So 2,50,000 pascals. So here with the 2 table we are getting cancel here. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 0. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 zeros are there. So we will write answer like 2,50,000 pascals. Okay. So formula here, what you have to learn first? Formula, force by area. Again you need to check units. Then you need to convert area centimeter square into meter square. After introduce into the formula, after getting the calculation, you will get the answer. Okay. Coming to the next problem, here what they given? Calculate pressure. Here also what you have to calculate? Pressure. So what is the formula for pressure? Pressure is equals to force by area. Force by area. F by A Newton by meter square or Pascal. Okay. So here 300 newtons of force acting on area of 50 meter square. So directly given values, force is equals to 300 newtons. Then coming to that, area is equals to 50 meter square. So here also, first of all, you have to note down the values and their units. Force given 300 units. Here no need to change any units. Again coming to the area given in 50 meter square only. Here units are also in Newton by meter square. So again here no need to change any units. Directly these values we have to introduce into formula. So then pressure is equals to 300 by 50 Newton by meter square. So 0, 0, 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. So that is equals to 6 Newton by meter square or pascals, units, or you can write as Pascal. Okay. So from the given problem, what you have to first, when you are getting any problem, first what you have to do, first read problem completely. Then you have to understand what you want to calculate. Okay. After that you have to go to calculate that what is the formula. You have to remember formula. Okay. Then units. Okay. After getting that, what values given in the problem to calculate pressure. Okay. Then here the given force value and area value. Okay, so that you have to write down in the formula. So here what we got, 300 newtons, 50 meter square. So 300 by 50, 50. So 50, 0, 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 6 are 30 Newton by meter square. So we'll get the answer 6 Newton by meter square, or we can write units as Pascal. Okay, these are the certain problems related to pressure. Okay, so in the next class I will continue some of the problems related to pressure. Thank you.